stay out of adventure. Just as soon as you become of course, the other kind is a different kind of thing. Law and disorder of the wild, wild west.
We went in a tunnel.
Now we're entering Frontierland, home of Consular Island, the Diamond Horseshoe Jamboree, and of course those silly singing country bands. Moving ahead is Splash Mountain, the highest, wettest, wildest ride you'll ever want to go on. Welcome to Frontierland and the Frontierland Station. If you're getting off here, please stay seated. All right, we're on the rails again, steaming toward Mickey's Starland and all points beyond. For those of you just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. During our trip, we ask that you remain seated, keeping your legs and arms inside the train, and please don't be thinking about eating, drinking, or smoking. Thank you. Right now, we're passing through the foothills of Big Thunder Mountain and the tiny town of Tumbleweed. Things just ain't been the same here since them spirits took over the mountain. You called mine. I hear them say only a boys and people would bother trying to ride the train. We're entering Maria now. Things are pretty tough out there at far reaches. Even the houses over there on the island. Coming up to the right are two of the oldest and roughest river rats to settle these parts. Old Beacon Joe and his dog Duke. Those two have survived it all, including ambushing, alligator attacks, floods, and yup, even flash photography. Ahead is a small tribe of Native Americans camped out along the side of the track. Don't worry, folks. These Plains Indians are peaceful and friendly folk, and they often welcome travelers like us with a hearty meal and some good trade, blankets, stoneware, jewelry, and, of course, Disney souvenirs. By the way, you're traveling aboard one of four genuine steam-powered trains that ride these rails daily here at the Magic Kingdom. These iron horses are descendants of the grand old engines that crisscrossed our growing nation before the turn of the century. It won't be long now, folks, and we'll be rolling into Mickey's Starland, our next stop on the Walt Disney World Railroad. At the rate we've been traveling, we should have called this the Walt Disney World Express. Well, I'll be. Someone beat me to it. Starland. Serving Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and of course, home of Mickey, Minnie, and the rest of that delightful Disney gang. Here's a Starland tip for you. Just to the right of the train station is the house the mouse built. That's right, it's Mickey's house. You can go right in and see for yourself. When you exit Mickey's house, you'll be at Mickey's Starland Theater, where you can see a live stage show featuring your favorite Disney animated characters. It's a lot of fun. Now please stay seated until the train lurches to a full stop. Gather your personal belongings and watch your step as you get off. Have a good time now and